Good morning, Dave here with Organic Gardening in North Carolina. It is April the 24th, and I'm planning to get some of these fig pops in the ground today because we're supposed to get some rain for the next couple days, and we should be done with our cold weather. So let me turn the camera around and I'll show you what the pops are looking like. Okay, here's 4 that I have here. This is a Tiger Panache, or Panache Tiger, that I got from Joe. This one does not have a whole lot of roots going on, but it does have some roots that were coming through. There are some roots coming through there. So I think I need to get it in the ground. Okay, this is yellow long neck that I got from Harvey. It's got some roots coming through. My huge fig pops. Could say huge fig pops. Here is Hardy Fig that I got from CNY Figgery. This also has a few roots coming through. Right there, some. And my best one is a yellow Lebanese that I got from CNY Figgery. This one really needs to be gotten in the ground, so I'll probably go ahead and do that one first. I'm just going to put them up here in my garden. And I'm planning to put them fairly close together. I'm planning to keep them sort of small, pruned down. So I'm not sure how I'm going to fit 4 in here, even if I am putting them close together, but here we go. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.